Back here with a Nvidia update. Looks like this might have topped out here, right? We had a trend-based extension on this thing up to $484.32, I believe that says. But had a high of $480.88. Okay, so let's zoom in here and take a look at this thing. That would give us our 5 waves up here. Now, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research with stuff like that and invest wisely. Listen to qualified people and just be very careful with your money. Okay, so let's take a look here. We're going to zoom into this chart here. First off, we had this support line that ran up through here. We lost it, became resistance. Then we ended up regaining that thing. Okay, now we took a measurement of a trend-based fib from down here to get our extension price. Let's look at some RSIs and see if this thing could be about tapped out or not. All right, we got the weekly way overbought. Okay, it flipped bearish. It's at an 84 and an 88. We got the monthly. Monthly is still coming up, but we are having actually a lower low on the RSI, so that's bearish divergence here. You can see right down here, this high is higher than this high. Instead of on price, we have this high, we have a higher high over here and a lower high over here. It's the opposite with the RSI. So got some bearish divergence there on the monthly chart. The daily's coming down. Looks like it's probably going to lose this channel. This thing is coming down here. It does have good support. We do have a support line right through there where it's going to come down and hit. So we'll see if that holds it or if it ends up falling through that. If it falls through that, then this thing probably has topped out. All right, but we do have that daily coming down. We have the 12-hour also coming down. We have the 8-hour coming down also. So looks like for now this thing could have possibly topped out. All right, so just be very careful. Keep an eye here. Put a trend line on here. If it breaks that and loses that, then it's probably coming for a deeper correction. Let's see here. Let's zoom out. I want to see what kind of put it on the weekly. See where a pullback could bring us with this thing. If we put a Fibonacci on here to the top, yeah, right back to 371 to 346. That would be some very good areas to bounce. That one, the 702 would line up with right back here. This prior high would line up with that 702 right there. So you can see how my dotted line ends up right on there. So I would watch for that 346.68. That would be a very good area. That was the previous high. So let me see here. We're going to put a line on it right there. Just about. I'll tweak it after the video. But right about right there. Usually these things will pull back to the previous all-time high and retest them as support then. And this thing could head another 5 waves up. We'll have to see where it's at when we get there. But right now, as we're doing this video, it looks like we possibly topped. We ended up over the weekend here. We're down $12.11. So we're down to 443.09. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and please consider joining the channel. It's $2.99 a month. And it's in the link in the description of the video. Thank you very much.